Ahmed always sends money to either Somalia for his loved ones or Sudan to pay the tuition for his daughter, but he is unable to reach the Hawala offices due to his busy schedule. Miriam lives in Europe. She regularly sends money to her mother in Somalia, but Miriam is unable to visit Somali Hawala offices at her city because of snow and lack of parking, etc. Ali works at a very busy NGO who pays vendors, employees, and refugees, but every time he needs to make payments, he has to visit one of the local Hawala offices, line up, and waste time. What is their problem? They all want to send money, but are unable to visit local Hawala offices due to their busy life, right? By signing for Tawakal mobile services, their problem is solved. Tawakal mobile money transfer enables instant money transfer from one place to another place using mobile technology via Tawakal.com through Sahal of Golis Telecom, EVC Plus of Hormund, and a Kafi of Telsum in traditional branch pickups. Now Ahmed, Miriam, and Ali can send money to any mobile or via traditional branch pickup without visiting any local branch office by using their Tawakal account via their computer or mobile handset.